How to add Instagram link to TikTok bio. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see the option of share profile. So let's tap on share profile, and as I tap on share profile, you'll have these three options. So I'm simply going to tap on the copy link option. As I tap on the copy link option, the link will be copied for your Instagram profile. So as the link is copied, we're going to go back to the TikTok application on our device. So let's launch TikTok application and make sure that you're logged into your account on TikTok app as well. So as you're logged into your TikTok application, simply what you need to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So let's tap on our profile, and as we tap on the profile, simply tap on the edit profile option. So let's tap on edit profile, and as we tap on edit profile, what you need to do is you'll just have to find the options of bio over here. So you can see the links over here. So tap on the links option, and as I tap on the links option over here, you have an option of Instagram. So let's tap on Instagram and let's paste the link that we had copied earlier from our Instagram application. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and let's wait. So you just have to enter your username, email or mobile number, and then password and login, and that's how you can simply add Instagram link to TikTok bio. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.